And if you're doing any home remodeling here, especially in your kitchen, check this out. You have the Kohler Vind Semi-Pro Kitchen Faucet. And you got two different flavors here. This is the matte black right here. And this one right here is the stainless. But look at this. They're both $70 off down to $129. This is a flash sale that's only good in this store in Coral Springs, Florida until August 4th. And again, another Death Star deal. Seasonal item. It's going away after this. And further remodeling for your kitchen, maybe you want to get something that's all integrated with this new sink. So everybody's favorite sink is back. This is the Kohler Provo. We've showed you this on sale many times. It usually goes on sale 3 or 4 times a year. And this time, Costco did not disappoint. So it's $100 off down to $299.99. Now I can tell you, a lot of times you go into Home Depot and buy just a sink by itself, and you won't even get gauge metal this thick, and the sink alone will be $300 or $400. And Costco must be expecting to sell a lot of these Artika ceiling fans. I love their products. We have the previous version of this that they had here last year. This one is called the Austin. It's a LED ceiling fan. So you can see where the LED is there, and then one in the middle, the center of the fan. The hub itself is an LED light as well. These typically don't put a huge amount of light out, and remember, this is a small fan, so this really belongs in a small bedroom or a den. If you have a room bigger than like 12 by 12, I would not put this in there. So that's what it looks like in operation up there in the display case. And usually when I come here, I see people buying these. So here you can see they've taken $30 off down to $109.99. In fact, I have a video that I'm supposed to upload on how to install ceiling fans, which includes the previous version of this fan that we bought. And the Filtrete filters are on sale again this month, but unfortunately, I can't buy my filters here anymore because they only carry 20 by 20 by 1, and even online they don't have my size, which is 20 by 24 by 1. So I was at Home Depot this morning filming my Home Depot walkthrough video, and I purchased them there because they're buy two, get two free over at Home Depot. You walk up there with 4 of them, and you scan them all, and it ends up only charging you for 2 of them. So right now, Costco is selling these 4 packs of filters for $34.99. Now I can tell you at Home Depot, the normal price for my filters are $20 a piece. But of course I got them buy one, get one today. Oh yeah, the Scott brand shop towels are back on sale again. I use these in the garage instead of the more expensive Bounty paper towels. Oh, and check this out. So these are on clearance right now, it looks like. So this is the Chemical Guys Complete Clean Car Wash Kit. I've showed you this before. It's got everything you need in there. It's got the microfiber cloths. It's got the car wash in there, the total interior, everything you'll need, including the cloths. And it's got the grit guards that go at the bottom of your bucket to get all of the dirt off of your glove each time you dunk it in. So anyway, look, it's marked down to $39.97. These, I think, were at least $49 or maybe more when they first came in. And they were very quietly dropping the price here for a few weeks on the Mobile One. So here you can see $8 off. So if you were holding out and you needed an oil change and you're changing your own oil, now's the time to come in to get it. And here in the kitchen, small appliances and housewares and stuff, here you've got the Henckels fine-edged forged 10-piece knife block set. Right here. So here it's $20 off down to $89.99, and it's a Death Star deal right there. So Darth Vader would be proud of this deal. Now this is a flash sale that ends right here on August 5th. This right here is the Miu Rotary Food Grater, and it's got stainless steel drums in there. So look at this, there's all the different drums that it comes with, so you can grate it any way you want, and it looks like you can even do radishes with it too. So this just came in, it's $24.99. So we can tell some of the prices are really starting to move up now. For example, this one here, the KitchenAid 6-quart bowl, you know, we've showed you this before, but I've never seen it above $3.99 before, so it's now $20 into the $400 range. So even if they do put it on sale for like $80 off or something later on, you're still going to be paying on average $20 more than you were the last time it went on sale. Okay, now this is a very unique appliance. You're probably looking at this and going, what in the world is this thing? So we've never seen one of these in here before. They just got them in. So this is called the Harvest Right Small Home Pro Freeze Dryer. So if you've ever wondered, let me see if we can open this. If you've ever wondered how do they freeze dry food and stuff, that's how you do it. So it locks in nutrition up to 97%. This one is not for the faint of heart. It just came in, so it's $1,599.99 or $1,600. So you might want to wait till this one goes on sale. And of course, right next to it though, the Vitamix Venturist is on sale for $80 off, down to $319. And that's this kit right here, folks. And of course, being the end of July, you know it's time to get the Halloween stuff in. This is a nice one here, the Mickey Mouse. So they supposedly have a Mickey or a Minnie, but I only saw the Mickey here. These are 20 inches, and it plays music, and it has lights, $94.99. And then looking for some of the computer deals here at Costco for August, we've got the Acer 14-inch Chromebook, and this one has the Google Gemini. So this one's real compact and probably fairly basic at this price. This one is $100 off, down to $249.99. And here's a couple of other laptop deals. Look, you got here the Microsoft Surface Pro with Copilot. And man, this little guy is tiny, and look how thin that is. Oh, very light. But look at this. Look what else is light. $300 off, man. That's a light price right there. Down to $12.99 from $15.99. And by the way, this Microsoft Surface comes with the Snapdragon X Elite processor. And then you've got the Lenovo IdeaPad. This is the Slim 3X, which looks pretty much just about as slim as any other laptop that I've seen around here. But look, $100 off, down to $599. This one's a flash sale though. It's only good until August 10th. And then also we have the HP Omnibook computer. This is the 16-inch, and this goes on sale sometimes during the year. And this one is $200 off, down to $799.99. And here's all of your specs on it. So it's got the Intel Core on there, the Core, and you got a terabyte of storage. So that should keep you busy for quite some time. And check this one out. Talk about a super savings on a laptop. We don't often see a $400 discount here at Costco, but there you have it. This one's only good until August 3rd here at this store. So that is a flash sale, and you'll want to check out to see if that's available at yours as well. Hey, listen, with school starting in the next couple of weeks, if your kids need a laptop, this is the time to come in. By the way, I bought my daughter an Apple laptop in here about a month ago, and it went on sale, and I went right up to the customer service counter just a couple of weeks after buying mine, and I clawed back over $100. And we do have some sales going on here on the Apple Watches. This is the newer Series 10s, and actually some of these say they expire today, but I don't know. So these are flash sales. So check in your store. Sometimes they roll them out here, and then they'll roll them out in other states as well. Yeah, but they've taken $90 off on these. But if you really want the big old beast watches right here, these are the Apple Watch Ultra 2s. And some of these, look at this, you're getting $130 off. These are good until later on in the month of August. Oh, and finally, my vitamin D is on sale. And this is a good one to get too. This is a higher quality version because the preferred method of getting your vitamin D3 is with the K2 involved. And so the K2, what it does is it's responsible for ushering calcium into your bones and teeth. And what's even better too, so if you look real closely, it says the vitamin K2 as MK7. That is the preferred version of vitamin K2 because this lasts longer. It stays in your bloodstream in your body for days. Whereas if you got the kind that said MK4, it would only last a couple of hours. So if you really want that K2 working for you all the time instead of just a part-time job, that's what you want to get right here is the MK7. And these are $6 off, down to $21.99. And there's 160 in the container. So this should last you about 5 months. Hey, and check this out. Costco finally got in another brand of creatine. This one's from Orgain. They've carried their protein powders and stuff like that for a while here. So I'm going to get this creatine here. This is $5 off, down to $14.99. Oh, you know, if I knew I only had 6 weeks to live, folks. Of course, if I ate these, I wouldn't live for 6 weeks. So therein lies the rub. Hey, my chosen avocado spray is on sale again. Hey, $4 off, down to $9.79. Might be time to stock up again. Hey, we got this new Victoria Organic marinara sauce here. This might be worth trying out because it's $4 off, down to $8.79. Oh, this tortilla chips are on sale. Yes, look at this, $2.40 off, down to $4.59. Yum, yum. And the vacuum wars are heating up once again, folks, because now we have the Dyson V15 Detect. This is the Total Clean Extra Stick Vacuum. I have the predecessor to this, the V11, I think it is, or V10 or V11 Animal Plus. Pretty much, this is a very similar design. and love it. But what you're gonna love here is the price. So until August 24th, these are down $140, down to $559. Now Dysons are very pricey to begin with, so to get it for $140 off is a pretty good deal. Sometimes when they put these on sale, they're $100 off. Sometimes they're $120 off. But this time, $140 off. Cha-ching! So when you look at these other ones here, like the V9, the Submarine, so this one's not on sale, right? So only a fool walks into Costco and pays full price on this when you can just wait a month or two and maybe it drops in price like the V15 did right next to it. If that is still a little bit too pricey for you, here's a less expensive model from Dyson. This is the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Plus. Now this is a corded vacuum, of course. And here in this store, it actually says it's going to be expiring tomorrow. So you'll have to check and see if it's a flash sale at your store as well, or if they'll roll it out to your area later on. And some of the electric toothbrushes are on sale again this month. And you just time it for when they go on sale. So here you have the Oral-B IO all-in-one. $50 off down to $119. And remember, whenever you come in to buy electric toothbrushes, make sure you always get the heads at the same time, because they usually go on sale at the same time, like these are here, $11 off. Stay ahead of the game. And they are already starting to get some of the furniture in for the fall, and I like this one here. I like the gentle curves on the top. This is the Foremost Home Redfield 70-inch accent console, and it does have soft closed doors. And there's your dimensions of it right there. Now these just came in, so they're not on sale yet. $499.99. I would expect if they go on sale, they'll probably drop either $75 or $100. Hey, check this out. They got the Bayside Furnishings bunk bed is in place here now. $799 for this twin bunk bed. I like this very classy looking cloth panel there. And then there's your view up top. Lots of nice vertically stacked slats. Now these just came in, so they're not on sale yet, but I would expect that they would drop $100 if they do go on sale. And then here for your mattress deals, this is the Nova Foam Comfort Grand Advanced Queen Mattress. So it comes in these boxes right here. And these are $100 off down to $399.99. But if you want a bigger one, you can get the king size for $120 off, down to $479.99. Okay, so if you know your kid likes Pixar and Lego, this is a good one to get an early gift for Christmas. Pick it up ahead of time. So this right here is the Lego Disney Pixar Luxo Junior. So you might remember seeing this on the logos of all of the old Pixar movies from way back when. Remember where the lamp jumps up and down on the ball? So that's it right there. Now these just came in, they're not on sale, but dang man, $56.99 for these. Legos have really gotten out of control. Oh yeah, and look at this here. You got total instant savings of $41.60 today. Shush. Man, do I have a massive haul today. And we're starting off with this here, the Carne Asada seasoned beef slices. And they're keto friendly too, for those of you who are on the keto diet. And there's 23 grams of protein per serving in this. So this is, yeah, I would probably have to have 2 servings of this to get enough protein for each meal. We also have the Neutrogena Rain Bath. These were on sale, $5 off. All right, so I thought I would try this Jamon Serrano Reserva ham. I'm usually pretty skeptical about prosciutto that's not made by Boar's Head or De Parma. But anyway, we'll try it out anyway. I tried this because it says it's all natural, minimally processed, no artificial ingredients. So this isn't your typical overly processed meats. Of course, I had to get the D3 with the K2, and we got the creatine. This will be my backup bottle. I just opened a new bottle that I got last week. Now here they have the wild Chilean sea bass, a favorite of mine here. Although it does say previously frozen, so theirs isn't quite as delicious as getting it completely fresh from Whole Foods. And you know what I say, always eat the rainbow. Get those sweet baby carrots. Yeah. And of course picked up some organic blueberries. One of my favorite sources of carbs, the Seeds of Change organic quinoa in brown rice. And you know I'm always going to pick up broccoli when I come here. Yum yum. Of course I always get these too, the spinach and kale egg bites. This is a great way to add a quick 13 grams of protein to your breakfast. So you combine that with one of these packages here that gives you 24 grams of protein, and you should have about 37 grams of protein total for your breakfast. And anytime the avocado oil spray goes on sale, I'll pick it up. And of course the Siete, the grain-free tortilla chips. I like this here because it's cooked with avocado oil and it's Bobby approved. I already double checked it. I can't wait to try out this new Victoria's Organic Marinara. And of course my favorite source of fats. I usually have an avocado every single day in the morning with my bread. And it was time for more kitchen bags. And I picked up a case here of the Scott shop towels, the original. Now I picked up 2 things of Aussie Bites here. I love these. I pop a few of these before going to the gym. And I wish they would put these on sale, because when they do, they go like $4 or $5 off. I'm always buying 2 of these containers. So I would have saved $10 if they had been on sale. And alas, they didn't have the good eggs today, so I had to settle for the regular eggs. I'm slumming it this week. And of course I had to buy a case of the Charmin Ultra Soft here. I only buy it when it goes on sale, so it's $6 off today. Couldn't resist. No job is finished until the paperwork is done, people. I hope you enjoyed my Costco haul. And make sure you check out in the thumbnails here, I'll put for you later on, my trip to Home Depot and to Lowe's for the pre-Labor Day sales. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see all of you on the next one.